this is my pet peeve, wisdom. Because I was involved in sports and you were involved in sports. And whenever a coach sees anybody hunched down, basically in that recovery position when your hands are on their knees, well, I know their hands are on their knees. Some coaches will go to them, then stand up, don't tayo kayo, wag kayong pakita, don't show that you're tired. Although I get that when it comes to the psyche of it, na parang you're telling your opponent that, oh, hindi ako pagod, I'm not tired. But I also know for a fact that that's the most optimal recovery position when it comes to trying to catch your breath. Let's try to explain that.
We
Yeah.
actually did a study on that one. Compared standing with your hands over your head,
Yes.
hands on your knees, sitting down, and then lying down with your feet up.
Okay.
So lying down with your feet up
The
is the
best.
fastest way to recover, but it's not the most practical way. In
Yeah.
most instances, if you can sit down, sit down. But if you're standing up, then hunch down.